What's up, people? Welcome back. Let's look at how to make rounded images in WPF and things like that. We haven't done a WPF video in a while, so let's get right to it. Okay, so I'll select WPF application here, the next, and I'll say and I'll select the folder where to save the file. I prefer to save the files here. Then I'll click next. I'm using .NET 8 long-term support. If you're using .NET 9, you can follow along, no problem. And let's create that project. Okay, so here we are. So I'll start by creating a folder first. Add new folder. So we'll call it IMAGES images. Okay, so there we are. Then I'll just select a random image from anywhere. You will select 1, 2. So let's come to pictures here. That's what we got there. Okay, let's select this one. I'll paste it here. Okay, so let's make things a bit interesting. Give it a, let's see, where did I put that color? Okay, select that color, copy, then we'll come to here, background, add that color. Okay, just to make things a bit interesting. Okay, then we come in here. So here we're doing rounded images, so we'll get a border. Let's go. That border also corner radius, maybe like 20. Border background, BSEK. Background. Just a temporary color for now. Select that one. Copy that. Then we'll come here. Okay, so let's just position the border. Let's position it in the center of the screen. Then let's give it a height. .200. WIDTH with the width of 200 also. Okay, so we're going to give the image rounded edges. So here's what we're going to do. We'll do this inside the border tag. opening and closing tag will come. Then we'll select border, then border will do dot background will do that. Then in there we'll do this, we'll use an image brush. Then image brush will come and do this, image source. Then image source will come to our image here, so we'll say / images images / spark underscore head dot capital letter jpg. Okay, I hope that works. So we close that. Okay, and there we are, a rounded image. So that's how you make rounded images in WPF. The links for the starter kit will be in the description section. Thanks, and yeah, I'm out. Like, share and subscribe. Okay, so let's continue. So here we have the height, which is 200, the width, which is 200. So this is our corner radius. So what we can do to make a full round effect, that full round effect around the image, can simply just do this. We'll get half of the height of the image, then we'll just do that. Then the image will be round like that. Or if you just want the corners of the image to be round, you can simply just do that. Like that. If you want them to be a little bit more extreme, you can do that. Even more, yeah, like that, and like that. Then yeah, so that's how you do rounded images, rounded images in WPF and things like that. So like I said, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and yeah, more videos coming.